Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving ownership and gathering essentials: account credentials, a charged phone, and a PC. Once you confirm you have access to the registered account and any lock screen PIN/password, make sure the device was previously authorized for USB debugging. Otherwise, ADB cannot legally access protected data. You should also back up any accessible cloud data now, because recovery often means data loss. Make sure to document device ID and IMEI for support calls. Then move to manufacturer-approved recovery options. You should use official recovery utilities provided by the device maker or platform provider, because they preserve warranty and data where possible. Once you access vendor tools, follow their guided account authentication to reset or unlock. These flows validate ownership and avoid unauthorized bypasses. Make sure to authenticate using your linked email, phone, or two-step methods. If you have backups, restore after the verified reset. Avoid unofficial ADB workarounds that remove locks without authorization, since they are risky and often illegal. You finish by applying the vendor-approved recovery action, typically an account-based unlock, or, as a last resort, an authorized factory reset, and then restore your backups. Once done, re-enable security measures such as strong passcodes and two-factor authentication to prevent future lockouts. If the device still won't accept your account or you lack proof of ownership, contact the carrier or manufacturer with IMEI and purchase info. Troubleshooting tip: if automated recovery fails, stop and escalate to certified support rather than attempting third-party bypass methods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.